morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your work very nicely, my dear. My dear, you all are coming to the school and you're learning a lot in the school and enjoying also all the activities, classes and all the things which is going on. Even you're enjoying the subjective classes also in this school. I hope you are watching the video also nicely, and wherever you are facing problem, you are asking in the class as well as by the video you are getting the explanation also. My dear, today we are going to move ahead in the same chapter. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, okay? That topic which I am going to discuss with you all. Let's see. I hope the last topic which I have discussed, that is clear to you all and you have done the work related with it. Now we have to move on. See my dear, we are going to start. Today's topic is subtraction without regrouping of minute to hours or subtraction with regrouping. We are going to learn both today. And you are going to do, on the basis of this, you can complete the exercise. Either you are doing addition or else you are doing subtraction. It's very important to arrange in columns. You have to make columns for hour, minutes and seconds, and then you have to write the numbers accordingly, okay? And then only you have to proceed the addition or subtraction. Addition we have already discussed in the last class. Today's topic is subtraction, okay? Measures in the subtraction of time, okay? And finally at last we used to add or subtract, that I have said. Now let's move on. You can see here, there I have with one example. In this you can see it is written subtract 4 hours 16 minutes from 5 hours and 32 minutes. How you will subtract? You will make two columns, one for hour and one for minute. Like this you have to make two separate columns. After making the two separate columns, it is written already here. The step by step I have written here also. These steps you have to follow while doing the subtraction of time. Write the hours and the minutes separately. If second is also there, then you will make one more column for seconds also. Then we will put down the numbers. The first column you will leave for writing the carry numbers, okay, which you will get, and then after that you will start writing. I have written 5 in the hour column and 32 in the minute column. In the same way I have written 4 in the hour column and 16 in the minute column. Then after that I will subtract. 2 minus 6 is not possible. We will take one carry from 3. It will become 12. 12 minus 6 will be 6, which I have written down, you can see. After that, I am seeing that is 2. Because 1 it has already given. 3 has already given 1. So now it is 2. 2 minus 1 I am doing, my dear. So I am getting 1. So I have got 16 minutes. Then after that, I have to subtract the hour column. 5 minus 4 will be 1 hour. So you will write 1 here and you will write 1 there, okay? So you will get this as an answer, 1 hour and 16 minutes. Okay, when I am subtracting 5 hours 32 minutes from 4 hours 16 minutes, I am getting 1 hour and 16 minutes, okay? In the same way, this has also been done for you. In this, I have to make two columns also. I have not made the column, but I have written in that way. And just beside the number, I have written the units, but you will write upside only. After that, we will add it. We will subtract it. 8 minus 3, we are getting 5, and 4 minus 2, we are getting 2. So I have written 25 minutes in the minute column. Then I will subtract the hour column. 6 minus 2 will be 4. So we have got 4 hours. So finally we will receive 4 hours and 25 minutes. Just in the same way, my dear, you can see this question also. Here we have to do some more process because here we are getting some left amount. So what we are like 3 minus 7 is there. We are taking borrowing in this. 3 minus 7 is not possible because 3 is lesser and 7 is greater. So 3 minus 7 is not possible. What we will do in that case? We will take one carry. So from the minute only when we will take carry, when we will take one carry from this minute, then 1 minute if I am taking, then it will become 13. What it will become? 13. 13 minus 7 when you will do, you will get 6, which is written down. Now here it is 1 because 1 it has already given. It is 1 now. Now my dear, 1 minus 4 is not possible. So 1 will take carry from R. So here what we have to keep in our mind, that when we are taking carry from the other unit, like if R is giving 1 to minute, likewise suppose if I was saying that if R is from the R, we are taking 1 hour, we are taking 1, then we are taking 60 minutes, my dear. How much we are taking? We are taking 60 minutes. So that 60 will get added with this 1. And this 1 is at which place? It is at 10th place. 3 is at 1's place and 1 is at 10th place. So 60 plus 10 you will do and you will get 70. So here you will do what? You will do 7 minus 4, which you will get 3, which is written down. After that, 4 minus 3, you have 4 minus 9 you have to do. So my dear, already 4 has given 1 to minute. So now it is 3. So 3 minus 9 is not possible. It will take carry from the next number. It will become 13. 13 minus 3 is 13 minus 9 is 4. So we have got the final answer as 4 hours and 36 minutes. It's very easy. What we have to do when we are taking the carry from the same unit, if you are taking carry from minute only, okay, to subtract the minute only, then there it will be same that you are doing. 1 will be like that only. Like when I have taken carry from 2, then it has become 30. But when you are taking carry from the another unit, like when I am taking 1 carry from the hour, so 1 hour we are taking, 1 hour means we are taking 60 minutes. So that 1 hour will get converted into 60 minutes and then will get added with that number, and then we have to subtract. This we have to keep in our mind. In the same with this question also, 3 minus 5, we will start from the right side, right to left we will go. So 3 minus 5 is not possible. It will take 1 carry. So it will become 13 here. 13 minus 5 will be 8, which I will write here. After that it is 2. 2 minus 4 is possible? Not possible. It will take 1 carry from R. So when R will give 1, it means we are taking 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. We are taking 60 minutes. Okay, we are taking 60 minutes. So when we are taking 60 minutes, my dear, then that will get added with this 20 because 2 is at 10th place. So 20 plus 60 when you will do, you will get 80. Okay, so 8, here it will be 8 minus 4, you are getting 4 only. After that it is 8. 8 minus 2 when you will do, how much you will get? You will get 6. Why it is 8? Why not 9? Because 1 we have already taken carry, so now it is 8. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. Just as same, we have to subtract this also. We have made 2 columns, one for hour and in that I have written 5, and one for minute, in that I have written 30, and just below 5 I have written 4 in the hour and 40 in the minute. I will what do? Subtract. So what we will do? See. Here only we can do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 3 minus 4 is not possible. It will take 1 carry from 5. 5 will give 1, it will become 4, and it will be 60 will be added with 3. When we are adding 60 with 3, my dear, when we are adding 60 with 3, then it will become 90. Isn't it? So 9 minus 4 when you are doing, you are getting 50 minutes, and here you are getting 0 hours. So you will get 50 minutes. So that will be your answer. You will get 50 minutes when you are subtracting 5 hours 30 minutes from 4 hours 40 minutes. Now you can see one column again, two columns you have to make, one for hours and one for minute column. Again you have to write down the numbers, okay, as we used to write. 10 we will write in the hour column and 55 we will write in the minute column. In the same way, 8 we will write just below 10 and 50 we will write just below 55. We will subtract. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, and 0 minus 8 is not possible, so it will be 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So we are getting 2 hours and 5 minutes. It was a simple subtraction where we are not taking carry. Just as same, this has also done. You will make two columns, one for hour, one for minute. You will write hour 7 in the hour column and 45 in the minute column. Again you will write 5 just below the hour, that is 7, and you will write 20 just below 45. You will subtract. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. What you are getting? 2 hours and 25 minutes. This was also simple subtraction. Just as same, you can see this also subtraction of time. It is written 3 hours, 35 minutes and 34 seconds from 12 hours, 25 minutes and 22 seconds. Now, hour, minutes and second you will write outside. You will mention the unit and then you will put down the numbers. 12 in the hour column, 25 in the minute column as well as 22 in the second column. Same downside you will do. 3 in the hour column, 35 in the minute column and 34 in the second column. Then you have to subtract. 2 minus 4 is not possible. It will take one carry from this 2. It will become 12. 12 minus 4 will be 8, which is written down, you can see. After that it is 1. 1 minus 3 is not possible. So it will take one carry from this minute and it will become 4. And this minute will give 1. Then when we are taking 1 minute and that we are taking into the seconds, so it is giving 60 seconds. How much it is giving? 60 seconds, because we are knowing 1 hour is equal to 60 seconds. So they are giving 60 seconds. So that will be get added. That will get added with this. So it will become 64. Okay, it will become, sorry, it will become how much? It will become 61. Okay, 1 was at 10th place and 60 we have added to 61. Okay, so from that 61 we have to subtract 4, isn't it? Okay, you do what now, my dear? You are seeing that here it is 22 given and the downside it is 34 given. We are knowing this 22 is lesser than 34. What we will do now? First we will take carry on. Okay, first you take carry only here. You add 60 with this 22 and you will get 82. Now 2 minus 4 is not possible. It will become 12 and 12 minus 4 will be 8. Here it is 7. Okay, 7 minus 3 you will get 4. Okay, like that which I was explaining previously, like that if we will do, maybe you will get confused. So you do like this only. You once take carry from the minute and that you add completely in the seconds and then you start taking carry. After that what you will do, we are knowing that this minute has given 1, so it is 4. 4 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to take carry, and 2 minus 3 is also not possible, so it will take carry from this hour. It will become 11 and this 60 will be added with this 25. 60 will be added with this 25. So 25 plus 60 when you are doing, so you are getting 85. 5 minus 5 you will do. Okay. Yes, I was saying that we are going to add 60 with this. So 1 it has already given now, so it is 4, my dear. So it will become 60 plus 24, which you will get 84, my dear. Now 4 minus 5 is not possible. It will take one carry, it will become 40. 14 minus 5 we will get 9 here. And here it is 8, 9 was, so 7. 7 minus 3 will be 4. How you will say, Miss, where, how you have got 7? Because 84 it was, na, my dear. So 4, when we have taken 1 from 8, then it has become 7. So we are now having 74. and this 4 will become 14. Okay, so now we will subtract. Now the last number is left, that is our column, so it is 11. Okay, 1 minus 3 is not possible, so we will take one carry, it will become 11. 11 minus 3 you will get 8. You will get 8 hours 49 minutes and 48 seconds, my dear. Just the same we will do this question. 2 hours 10 minutes, 2 years 10 months from 6 years 4 months. This is also the process is same. Just process is what? Suppose, my dear, in the first step we will arrange the numbers in years and month. After arranging the number in years and month, we will write the numbers. Then we will do the subtraction from the right to left. First we will subtract the month. 4 minus 0. Okay, 4 minus 0, or we can say 4 minus 10. So 4 minus 10 is possible? No, it is not possible. 4 minus 10 is not possible. It will take one carry from year. So when we are taking 1 year, then we are taking 12 months. When we are taking that year in months, then we are taking 12 months. We are not taking 1 year, we are taking 12 months. So that 12 months will get added with this 4 and it will become 16. Now 16 minus 10 we are doing, we are getting 6 months. Here it is 5 because 1 it has already given. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. So what is the answer? 3 months and 3 years and 6 months. 3 years and 6 months. Just as same we have to do this one also. You can see it is given 5 weeks and 3 days minus 1 week and 6 days. So here first we have to, in the first step you can see I am just arranging the numbers according to their unit. Days I have written in the days column and weeks I have written in the weeks column. In the second step I am subtracting. 3 minus 6 is not possible, it will take carry from week. So we are knowing, my dear, that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So if I am taking 1 week from this 5, then I am taking 7 days. That 7 will get added with this 3. 7 plus 3 will be 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4. Okay. Once we have taken carry and then we have subtracted. Okay. You will do the same thing in all the questions. Whenever the carry, or you can see and observe that the number are smaller than the downside number. So at that time you will first take carry from the other unit and then you will start the process of subtracting. Okay. Because before, if you will take, okay, before only if you will subtract and then you will take, maybe you will get confused. But once you will take carry and then you will add that in that unit and then you will subtract, it will be easier for you. Now 10 minus 6 we have got 4 and 4 minus 1 we have got 3. So what is the answer, my dear, which we have received? We have received the answer as 3 weeks and 4 days. 3 weeks and 4 days. Like you can see here also one subtraction is given. You can see it is written 14 hours and 5 minutes. It is written 14 hours and 5 minutes. I hope you all are able to see now. We have to subtract this 14 hours and 5 minutes, okay, by 9 hours and 50 minutes. So we will what do? 5 minus 50 is possible? No, it is not possible. So we will take one carry from the hour. So 4 will give 1. So when I am taking carry from the hour column to the minute, we are taking 60 minutes, not 1 hour, my dear. So that 60 will get added with the 5 and it will become 65. And now 65 minus 50 will be 15 minutes. And here it is 3. 3 minus 9 is not possible. It will take one carry. So it will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. We will get 4 hours and 15 minutes. That's it, my dear. My dear, I hope you all have enjoyed learning subtraction. You have learned very nicely whatever I have explained. Go through the video. Very nicely I have explained everything. Still you will face problem. You can come with the queries in the classes. We will discuss it together. That's all, my dear. Thank you.